Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler. I have a fun fact for you. Did you know that the hardware on the 3-inch is smaller than the hardware on the 3.5-inch? I was all set up to do this video, and I had the wrong tools. But, second to that, question. What the hell is up with cats? Alright, it's going to sound like a total tangent, but I'm sitting here, right? I have my little cardboard box with the lights that I built into it, already I'm going to start filming. And all of a sudden, I hear the litter box behind me. And the cat starts digging up freaking litter. And I'm like, what the hell? And I turn around. Literally, I never come in here at like 6:30 in the morning. That's what time it is right now. And my cat decides to just go on up and take a shit as soon as I sit down. And this is a spare bedroom, so this room is literally like not large at all. Literally, I had to stand there and watch the cat take a crap. Told the cat I would wait so I can get rid of it so I can film this. Anyways, that's the dedication we have to this channel. All right, let's get to it. We have an unboxing today. My unboxing knife is my Hinderer XM-18 3-inch Skinner. There's a reason that I'm unboxing it with this, and that's because these are scales for this. Yes, we're not going to really beat around the bush. These scales are from Karbadize-ed, which I've never gotten scales from him before, but I have heard good things, and honestly, the customer service that he's provided up to this point have been phenomenal. Just the communication. It's not about like, speed and stuff like that. When you're a one-man show, you have to understand that that's not really what it's about. To me, it's about just keeping in contact and talking. I've even asked him stuff about anodizing that I was having issues with, and he was more than helpful. So there you go. So today, the scale that we got is this. This is a marbled carbon fiber that looks, holy freaking smokes, does this look good. Oh my gosh, take a look at that. Freaking gorgeous. And we're going to be mounting that on this. So the tools I will need are a flathead screwdriver. I have a spanner on the standby just in case this flathead screw tends to screw or spin this Chicago fitting right here. I'll call it a Chicago fitting. It's not a true Chicago fitting. And then we have what I'm gonna guess is a 1/8. I don't know. I don't know how large this thing is. You know what? I actually have a tool that can measure how large this is, and I'm an idiot. Let's see here. So about 0.06 of an inch. That's going to be less than 1/8. Wow, that's going to be like 1/16 almost. Okay. Yeah, just about 1/16. Okay, so about 1/16 in size. And then I'm also going to be cleaning it up with some KPL and some Q-tips. I also have some alcohol on standby. I'll just clean it up and we'll make it pretty for you. Do not worry about fast forwarding the video, guys. I will do that for you and try to make it as entertaining as possible. Before I get into the disassembly, just want to reference my knife video from yesterday. I did have a knife sale yesterday. There's, I would say, about 60% of the knives still available. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to put a little tab up at the top that's going to say knife sale. Go check that out. In the description, I show which knives are already sold. If you guys want to get into a Hinderer, I do have a Hinderer for sale there. It's a Hinderer Jurassic. So I'm not going to be hard firm on those prices that I posted. I will take, not best offers, but I will entertain offers at this point. My goal is to still give back to you guys rather than go back and, sell it on Reddit for trying to make more money. I would rather give back to the community and give back to the guys that are part of our internal community on top of the community that's already there. With all that being said, let's get back to the disassembly. Alright, guys. Wow. Okay, so first and foremost, Karbadize does some awesome work, which I'm sure most of us already knew. When I say us, I don't include myself, but I've heard nothing but good things. But holy crap, is this just gorgeous. You know, for a marble, I don't see any voids. That's a cool thing. I mean, I wouldn't care, but it's kind of cool to purchase some aftermarket scales, handmade basically, or made by an individual, and not have any imperfections. That to me means that he weeded them out. Second, it's gonna sound ironic, and I don't know why it feels this way, but it feels thinner than this scale. I should have measured them before I put them on. It might not be, but that's just, you know, but holy crap, it feels really good. It's nice and smooth, and it has a little bit of texture to it. Due to that, I can almost feel the texture of the carbon fiber. Like it has a slight friction to it, but not a texturous feel, if that makes sense. But all in all, man, I am a lucky guy. This is a gorgeous piece, and I went with the carbon fiber because it already had blue hardware. I did buy this hardware for it. But, you know, I figured since I already had blue hardware, let's just kind of go with something like the black and blue. And man, did that turn out just nice. This is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm very lucky to own this. Very happy to have met, I believe his name's, I'm not going to say his name, but it's the guy over at Karbadize, and had some good conversation. So all in all, awesome work. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out that sale video from yesterday. As I said, you know, make an offer on a knife that's still available. Check the description for the knives that are already sold. Other than that, you guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have no idea how much it means to me. Have a great day, guys.